something he said, his words built a wall, all inside my head, just one little thing, didn't mean that much to him, but it keeps building and building and building, this wall in my head, this wall in my head, just one tiny thought, it started out so small, those thoughts made a brick, bricks made a wall, and the wall keeps me down, and the wall trips me up, and it keeps building and building and building. And here I stand with my feet stuck to the floor, as I shout down the street, I'm screaming for more. Over the wall, I see my future standing tall. Over the wall, I can't believe I'd have it all. So I'll keep climbing and climbing and climbing this wall in my head. I'll keep on climbing and climbing and climbing this wall in my head. This wall in my head. This wall in my head. This wall in my head.
So,
it was something she said, her words left a scar, the thought left a sting, those words are the walls, they still hold me in, and they keep building and building and building, and don't fall, I'm finding my feet, their shoes to be filled, this wall, it's harder to beat, when it's one you helped build. Better ways of saying this. Some girls take hours to paint every perfect nail. Fragrant as flowers, all prim, posed and pale. You are as wild as that wind-blown tree, as dark and as deep as the midnight sea. While they're busy dressing, you lie warm and bold. Some girls you picture, some you hold. I guess what I'm trying to say is that in every girl there's an element of something you love, but to find a girl that every element you love may be an impossible task. You want with small talk or shiny cars, or mirrors or French cologne. You are the river, the moon, the stars. You're no one else I've known. Some girls take pleasure in buying a fine trousseau, counting each treasure and tying each tiny bow. They fold up their futures with perfumed hands, while you face the future with no demands. Some girls, they expect things others think nothing of. Some girls you marry, some you love.